In this video, I want to talk about how you can see when your order will arrive on Temu. Now, the way that you can do this, and this works for your phone as well as on the Temu website. So if you're on the desktop, you want to head over to temu.com, and if you're using your phone, you just want to use the app. Then what you want to do is you want to select your profile and head over to your orders. Inside of here, it will show you all your orders, and you can sort it by processing, shipped, delivered, and returns. So what you want to do is just select all orders, find your order that you want to track, and then there will be a button on it that you can click on to open the tracking. Now when you click on that, you will be able to see everything, where the parcel currently is, and the updates, like what time it was sent and all this stuff. So that is how you can do it on Temu. If you want, you can also go to processing to see all your processed orders, shipped, all the ones that are shipped, and the ones that are delivered. But like I said, under all orders, you will be able to see all of them, so you can simply select the one that you want to track. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.